ate my whole banana. And it's all gone. But now I want some more. So I'm going to be naughty. I'm going to try to turn this on. Don't do it. Not yet. It's not full yet, Isa. Yeah. You got some messy face. Don't do it. Did Mommy say you can? No, Mommy said you can't. No, yeah, don't. Good job. Good boy. Hey. Hey, come here, silly boy. Come here. I can't see you in the dark. It's too dark over there. You have to come over here. Come here. Hi! Did you get your toy? Oh, you're going to turn it on. Of course you are. There we go. Play us a song, Piano Man. You're so funny. You spanking that little booty? Yeah, let me turn the light on. Dance! Dance! Break it down now. What's what? You're gonna bring your other piano in here? You gotta have lots of noise in here, huh? You have to put it on one, Isa, or else you can't play it. On one. On the first one. Touch the light. Touch the light one. You're playing a song. Say bye-bye.